Some of these is pretty hard to wrap, and I've took fiberglass wrap. You can get that at the vet store or a hospital or whatever, and you can kind of shape that however you want with that. And here's where you get your biggest groove over here, because that's where the rope's coming. Horse, yeah. Fall off or get bucked off, or horse fall, or it doesn't matter. That's why I have this in there. For whatever reason, I get separated from my horse. But the way I do it is just put a little short tuck through there. Have the same weight to it as the reins. This romal's a little heavy, so if you're just bouncing along and your hand is open, you're chasing a cow or something, the romal wants to pull the reins through your hand. So you can't leave your hand